In chaos, there is opportunity, a chance to rebuild the broken pieces and to find oneself in a better situation once the circumstances become calmer. Most individuals encounter chaos on a regular basis since its unexpected nature makes it nearly hard to escape totally. Some are faced with the existence of chaos day by day, either by circumstances and social disadvantage or due to the time period they are living through. Usually, people dislike it and often struggle with turmoil when it appears. Understanding the presence of opportunity is therefore, initially, difficult, but ultimately allows people to perceive better the potential of the situations they find themselves in. In my personal experience, this principle is illustrated by living through the era of the COVID-19 pandemic while simultaneously pursuing my education. Keeping schools open in a safe manner is now a priority, especially in nations facing second waves of COVID-19 infection, many of which have infection levels more significant than the first. According to new research from our organization, countries that have completely open schools are far more likely to remain open. Countries have learned to coexist with COVID-19 in the classroom, but this desire to keep schools open reflects a rising understanding of education as a crucial facilitator of human growth and empowerment and underscores the need to protect the education institutions. I am looking forward to continuing my education and learning more about the new ways in which the world operates during the pandemic. In conclusion, it is possible to view the chaos and the unrest as sources of not only trouble but exploration and progress. Before something new can be built, old things often need to die or, at least, be disturbed in a way that creates a clear situation of needing to adapt and evolve. Thus, despite all the difficulties, in chaos, there is opportunity. Study Corgi can help you make your studies smarter. Visit studycorgi.com for more samples like this, study tips, and writing tools.